What is up, you guys? We're back. Okay, so this one will be a little different. I'm putting down a theory here. So there's like theory of relativity and all this other jazz there. So here we go. It's the theory of an intelligent force. Right? So that we admit gravity's a force, all these other things, and but we haven't yet grasped that there's an intelligent force. Intelligent design force, okay, from the spirit world. We're in the matter kingdom over here, right? So there's an intelligent force from the other kingdom projecting through into our kingdom here. So that's my theory, is that there's an intelligent force. Because you look at all this quantum mechanics, all that stuff with the, you know, there's the Fibonacci sequence, pi, the golden ratio, all those things. Then there's vortex math, there's geometry, all the shapes. If you look at vortex math and stuff, you'll understand what I'm talking about. And then if you look at the Fibonacci sequence, which again is a math sequence, the golden ratio, when you look at that in nature, it's expressing to you that there is intelligent design, especially when it's matching all the other things, when it's matching the geometric shapes, the musical notes, all these things. I don't know if you've ever seen cymatics, where they show the frequencies and they show the shapes that each frequency makes. So it's like, yeah, there's an intelligent force. And again, I believe from what I know is that the intelligent force is from the other side shining through into our kingdom where we live here in the matter realm and the physical realm. But everything's too perfect to be an accident. Even the Big Bang. If you want to talk about things that are possible and things that are impossible, even just going off what we know is possible for sure, look at how ridiculous some of that jazz sounds. Like the Big Bang. You got how many gazillion, trillion, billion watts of energy power to the exponent of a gazillion, billion, trillion released in like a thousandth of a second, or in like a billionth of a second. In 1 billionth of a second, the whole universe got created. We admit that. What do you think's? And then it also went into a perfectly ordered form. So you have to admit this, when the Big Bang happened, the rules were already set, right? The rules of gravity, mass attracting mass, all those things, or else the planets couldn't even have formed, right? So like the quantum mechanics and the physics were premeditated before the Big Bang. Think about that. In like a perfect symphony, a perfect orchestra. So it's good for us to be thankful to the Creator. You know, if anyone out there is an atheist, that's fine. When I was young, I went through a period where I wasn't sure there. I was probably an atheist for a couple of years because I wasn't 100% sure yet. So if anyone's at that point, I get it. Because you don't want to believe in something if you don't think it's real. But if you look around, again, like I said, if you want to look for some proof, look at vortex math, look at cymatics, look at the Fibonacci sequence, pi, golden ratio, all those things, and then look at how they apply into life and how life grows according to math formulas and all these things. And you know, the rules got set at some point, somehow, some way. Think about that. Because when the Big Bang happened, it wasn't just a bang with no rules. It banged in a gazillionth of a second into the rules, and then takes form from that point on. Yeah, so either way, Thanksgiving over here up in Canada. We'll see when it gets online to you guys or whatever. But yeah, make the most of yourself and we all win. And that's the theory I'm putting out there to all the physicists and the quantum physics people and all that stuff, is that there's an intelligent force, right? Look at the quarks and all those other things, how they couple in 1/3, 2/3 pairs and all these things, right? That follows like Tesla was saying with the 3, 6, 9. Okay, So yeah, if you start looking into math and then how it ties into life, it starts to reveal itself to you, but you have to look for it. Okay guys, peace out, make the most of yourself. We all want to stay blessed.